Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to file your tax refund with the IRS using ID. Me. This secure method ensures your personal tax information remains protected. ID. Me is the official identity verification partner for the Internal Revenue Service, allowing you to securely access various online services. You can view your tax account, check your refund status, and manage your tax records with confidence, all through a verified and secure portal. To begin, navigate to the IRS website and choose the ID, Me verification pathway. You will need to provide a valid email address and create a strong, unique password for your new account. Carefully follow the on-screen prompts to establish your secure ID. Me profile. This initial setup is a crucial first step in gaining protected access to your important tax information and services online. The next critical step involves verifying your identity. You will be prompted to upload a clear photo of a government-issued identification document, such as a driver's license or passport. In some cases, a live selfie or a video call with an ID. Me agent might be necessary to complete the verification. This thorough process ensures that only you can access your sensitive tax data, providing a robust layer of security. After successfully verifying your identity with ID, Me, you can securely log into your IRS online account. This access allows you to view your tax records, check your payment history, and monitor the status of your tax refund. The entire process is designed to be straightforward and highly secure, giving you peace of mind and efficient control over your tax information from the comfort of your home.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.